Shalom, shalom, shalom. Ekene Delono, Tutoma, rest in peace to all the heroes who died in Biafra wars. We are here to talk about Igbo nation. We are the Igbo Jews, the Israelites. ChukwukaDibia program, share the telecast. Stop killing your brother, stop selling your brother because of money. Because of Diego, lot of Ndiba Ungo. Because of money. But Diego, you one Biafra potamos ole one oh no Biafra. If I video today, share the telecast. Love of money have destroyed Igbo land, have destroyed Biafra, betrayers. Le one Biafra potamos ole one. Share the telecast. What's our nose here? Click love and click like. I'll be giving 20 people 1,000 to recharge their cards, to share and to celebrate. This our page just came back today. Today we're going to start about our program called ChukwukaDibia, Igbo Jews Israel United One Family Nation. Igbo Israel United Nation. God bless you. Afamomo abo Arize ChukwukaDibia. Onye Chineke ziputara ka ọzọpụta ndị Igbo. Imago na I'm happy that we are here. You know, I have a page that's almost 100,000 followers. They hack it. I have a page that's always at something thousand followers, almost 40,000 followers. They hack it. But I have other many pages. They hacked even my company page to say production and so on. But nevertheless, because Kana talk one day is open. If it's not by the will of God, maybe if it's will of God, if it's not the will of God, will of Chineke Kusineke, there's an aboriginal nation, Moses, Obria, Ndila Kagebumwa, through their evil prayers and their spiritual attack and the I had want to arrest me because of what? And I'm not talking about the bomb. You know, I've rejected many offers from occultic kingdom. I rejected to marine kingdom, Mary. Just here to let you know that I'm able to more people, and I cannot lie to my people. I vow not to lie to Igbos. Once the matter God I say before I prove you have an umbrella. Ozi Chineke Kusineke and Yahweh Elohim. So I want to now use the opportunity to pray to every Igbo man, Igbo brothers and sisters in diasporas all over the whole world. Know your roots. We are the Igbo Jews. We are not against Christianity. We are not against tradition. Igbo Jews. We are the people covenant of God. If you claim you're a Christian and you don't obey the covenant of God or the Bible, Sunday worship is not in the Bible. Yet in the Bible, Saturday, which is the covenant day of Igbo Jews, in the Igbo. Because even Israel were the Israelites. Igbos were the Israelites. So whether I claim it's Israelite that came out from Igbo, or he say Igbo came out from Israel, what I know that I am a Jew, I am the Israelite. Bible make it clear in Revelation 3 verse 9. Revelation 3 verse 9, he said, "Nda wundo okay kwensu ke ndo bunda ndo na claim na ha bu ndu Jew but ha bro ndu Jew ke ndo na bu Romans ndo na worship Sunday ndo buru Jesus." This made you Jesus because no bo onye Igbo. The same way I treat the Yahweh ke Igbo ya Arize ChukwukaDibia. But as no ye na Chineke so. I share mwanya nwe ndi lo game and he that with God is majority. So may Igbo my programmer. So let me use my song special song for this program. A song ChukwukaDibia. So let me use it to entertain you. Please, because in our join now, share the telecast. You know, this I've been since last year. I've been trying to the method of things. I've been fighting my page because of the truth, but we have started. I want to now announce you that the Yahweh now. I told you that Lagos is Egypt, that Anambra, Igbo land, Biafra land is what? Israelites, where the Jews. So, like I told you, God sent me to Anambra state, to Igbo land, to Biafra land 2006. If you go to Oka Bakalike Street, you will see my mountain there, where I spend millions, some field and everything. You can see the altar there, you can stay there. It's last year that I went and I moved some things and have given the land to his list. But nevertheless, God asked me to, because because of COVID-19, I came to Lagos. People went there to build something, so the land remains small. So I know that the future is too bright. So even as I say, went to police along the line. I just have to. I heard from the Spirit of God who sent me, because it's the work of God I'm doing. So because he carried the Naka, many people that have all those mansions, which are they going into today? They are no more. So as an Ando BC. So I want to pray for the heroes of the Biafrans, those who have lost their life or the loved ones. May Almighty ChukwukaDibia Yahweh console you and console your family. My father is a part of people that fought in Biafran war. He shared even who says he's a kingmaker from Igbo. I am from Igbo. I am going to Igbo. So to all my sons and daughters in Igbo all over the whole world, know that we are one. We are one family. This is Igbo Jews. Israel United Nation. So you're welcome. This program is a wonderful program. People used to call all over the whole world, say their mind, and they can call +234 903 222 6076. If you need a recharge card, drop your account number and or your account. Then you share the telecast. A type ChukwukaDibia Igbo Jews, Israel, right, United Nation. So God bless you. Afamu Abo Arize ChukwukaDibia Eze Anyeshe from Ibuku and from Anambra State. Igbo. Now, iyo manji were bia na efifi abo na ka ngozi uno na ya du n'ukenu no dizi n'ukana nke abo nke ayi bo nke anyị. So this miracle na afu a na-eme na Lagos, and other people. I have been in Anambra State. I've done it in Enugu. I have helped my people in Onitsha. I help people in Muka. I've been to Main Market. I've been to Retromas. I have walked around. I've helped many Igbo people from many places. So it's not like we are today. But now, that place I used to be in Oka. I've been in Oka and I have fun choosing for a very long time, since 2020. So now, I began last week in Kegaraga. We be na People's Club mana acha obuna Chineke kusunega Chukwuka. We wepụtara anyị ebe a ga-anọ we na-efe ofufe. So na People's Club akwụgo m ụgwọ ebe ahụ. So and here for na me and my partners. So ka Chukwu gozie kwa ndo na akwadokwa this movement. Only me cannot do it. So and ọka fọkwara ifix here. I need the igote instrument egwu. I need the igokwa idozi ebe ahụ tia grass or water grass. I need to make painting. I need to make so many things there. I need to equal log on there because I never or cement. We can have better mother that Meru so I get my other state, but all small. So okay, I cost 10 million or more. But I need the maybe you want to buy AC and generator, organize 20 million. So better manage I get use about 7 to 10 million. So I will name an Igbo now. I ain't name a massacre because you're not able. We must continue whether with anybody or something, because in the man they check after saying I get him we are so a man who said on something they come to pass, because whatever I say I must surely do it. That is because God told me that's why I had to know the work of God, because I don't know but me can come a man by now on a man on a prison on a man but I can't reach naked and you know but I'm by now by Nisi Arize ChukwukaDibia. You are my Gosena ChukwukaDibia. Afamu Prophet David Yahweh, Dr. Arize ChukwukaDibia. This is a ChukwukaDibia program. It's not my program. This program is meant to unite all the Igbo Jews, Igbo Israel, right, united together. We are, you know that anybody, as long as they want Igbo, The guy has an Abraham because where you want to marry, what is recognized in the Bible is called traditional marriage. Now, we are talking about traditional. If you see me and I say, that person I used to dress like Indominana. No, this is my culture. Omenana is my culture, so I'm not a foreigner. I can't be. If I'm putting up suit, I just want to put up suit. So, what is different from putting on foreign man own, and I cannot recognize my own? So, these are our problem. So, if I do things now, like me, I can break collar. There's nothing wrong with breaking collar, but going to worship idol, going to worship water, going to bow down to doing no kid, maybe witchcraft, maybe witch this and wizard. Joining occult is not Igbo tradition. Here be Igbo tradition, bro. The culture, like what I'm putting, this is our culture, Igbo culture. You know, Igbo, they represent Igbo people, spiritual leader of Igbo Jews, Israel, United Nations, Gospel of Truth, anti-prophetic movement. I'm here to debunk the lies that Jesus is a white man, that Jesus is a black man. I am the first African prophet to preach about black Jesus today. They pray, they show. It has started coming to pass. Nothing that I say that doesn't come to pass. I am not against Mary, mother of Yeshua, black Jesus, but I'm against that Mary. Why you on your chat? Iya kamera iya ejakasment bo okwa di se na arosi ahụ ndu Ethiopia kerefa ndu Portuguese biar say na three people na three Mary appear to little people in Fatima. That is why you believe in Mary leading shepherds. Now it's little girls, little children now tell you as now father and mother teach your children the will of God. When they grow up, they will not depart. Now it's the little children that are telling you how to worship God. They are telling you to listen. I go you 10 years. Now get wisdom and get understanding. But I know we're too big for this. Now, before one of our brother, a Reggie prophet, will be shouting, Mary, if you don't believe in Mary, he will do this one. If you don't believe in this one, I ask you, who is Mary? You're not even talking about Selah, mother of the nation. Okay, if you want to talk about who to honor, who honor Selah? Selah are the first person that even born people that born, Mary. Have you honored Selah? That's why we say we worship the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, not the God of Mary, no. In the Bible make it clear, book of Jews, that women don't talk when men are talking. Even in the Igbo tradition. Like I say, but because we are now, everything now, Western have come to destroy everything that we have. In this Bible, divorce is there. Bible is not against many words. Go and read Old Testament. All the people, all the king, all of them marry many. Why they are marrying many? Because many people have died because of woman. Many men have died. Many people, I don't know how many years when my father died before my mother died. If you hear what, pray to have money. Because if you don't have money, and pray to have a good wife. How many wives is good? The reason why your wife is good because you have look around, you have many benefits. Anytime you find out that is getting more, having more potential than you see her true color. How many percent of women is 2 out of 1 million that will become when they are making it? Let's say now you're a billionaire, you're a millionaire, you're making it, you have all of a sudden start selling your property, it is done now. If for that the same woman you have been catering for 20, 30 years, we turn outside you. Power house. Because of what? And I just okay. I am not against soccer. I believe in Christianity. I believe in, but I'm not. I am a Jew. Since I realized that Sunday worship is of Satan, no, it better quincy. It better medical. It better arrosing. So the same ndocha. One yocha better fun and Igbo. See, let me tell you, Igbo are the God people. We are the children of God. Jesus was a black man. All the Hebrew people, they are all black people. Elijah is Bonyoji. Abraham Bonyoji. Isaac Bonyoji, Jacob Bonyoji, David, the King David of our time. I am the King David incarnation, a spiritual warlord. A man who destroyed the power of Oki. Fight Harrison daughter, Nduro, ma destroy Aya. Today, no man matter gonna Jesus Bonyoji. Today, no man matter gonna Mary Harrison. But no, nevertheless, if you like, defend, keep defending. But here, with time, we just fight the means. With time, the people will know, people already know the truth. Come here, get family. Got your picture of Margaret for Come and watch it. My own mother. My mother is already. It's also a great woman. Ari says, I can watch it, but it's better. Okay, share, click the share button. Click the share button. For more about this, ChukwukaDibia. Welcome to ChukwukaDibia program. This is a program to liberate Igbo and to bring unity between the Igbo and the Israel, were one family. Now, I want to pray for the freedom of Mazin and the Kara, and I want to pray for the freedom of Ndibo. I want to pray for his release. I want to pray for good health to all Ndibo all over the whole world. Ndu believe na Igbo BC, ECJ, because everybody needs for Ndibo when they're making it bocha. So, so my page have been hacked by what? Ebukobi and the gangsters and all that. But today, we find out that God of the Yahweh have finally put them to shame. Why are you claiming that you're a servant of God and you're hacking other people's page? Because of what? Each of the so can one can work is Asana Akarakademic, someone would be Yahweh, the spiritual world. Chineke like organize a crowd, like organize one or two people, because I will not by crowd. That's mean Michael Jackson Kapulo crowd carry Jesus Christ. I will not by crowd. I got him with Elijah because him with a multitude of army. Elijah prayed, fire came down and destroyed them. So it's not a bad crowd. I will not by crowd. A little David cannot kill Goliath because Goliath have a lot of armies. I will not by crowd. Samson can never kill the lion with hand because a lion can kill thousands of people at the same time and injure them. ChukwukaDibia. Okara mother, Okara mo Jesus on fire and keep bazaar. That's why I answer Jesus on fire. See, Jesus is just a name. The true name of Jesus called Yeshua, Amasha. So name of Jesus is just not it's not in the Bible. It's not the real name. That is a fake name. The name of many people answer Jesus now. After all, Jesus on F2. Oh, more Jesus on fire and keep bazaar. Since you believe in, you like to believe fake story. You don't like truth. Let me make it clear to you. The Bible, this word of God is Igbo history. Actually, I'm writing my book, the history of Igbo. You know, and the Jews and the Israelites. So I've been into Israel 2018. I've had a lot of things. That's why I'll be able to know that Jesus was a black man. So please, I'm going to watch. Help me share, click love and click like, so the page can come up. Type ChukwukaDibia. Keep on typing. Please kindly share. Please kindly share the telecast. Kindly share. Kindly share ChukwukaDibia's program. ChukwukaDibia program. ChukwukaDibia is not me, it's a spirit, it's God Himself. For you who don't understand what ChukwukaDibia means, ChukwukaDibia, Igbo Jews, Igbo Jews, Israel United Family, United Nation. United Nation. One love. One love. One family. One love. One family. One family. Thank you for everybody. You know, it's been long I've been live. Today is my first Sunday. I'm coming live in this my page. Anytime I open page, they find out that I'm saying the truth, they will come and hack my page. Why? That's why I say Igbo does not love themselves. Mazin is in prison today because of Igbo. One of the things here, if I don't come out since. So ChukwukaDibia, my light just went off. My number +2349032226076. If you are the part of people that have said that I did a giveaway and you're part of people that I did a giveaway and they are not getting it, because of my page. I have many pages and they're always busy. So I've been traveling this period and I went to the east. Precisely, I went to We now have a place in Anambra State, People's Club. So it's a marvelous that we're in a big city in Onisha. So the Yahweh Dr. ChukwukaDibia program is coming up last Saturday and last Sunday of the month. So I got an evening program from let's say from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. We close Sunday the same thing. So I can email like that. I go when you try to okay, okay. You try go and abuse is okay. Guy try men come and take a Sabbath, take a Sabbath. See come. The reason why it was by that time is for you to know that we really care. We are coming to help our people. So the guys now, it's here not to Saturday, or the course on the Sabbath. It's here not to Sunday, or the course on Sunday Christian. No, they are okay. Yeah, Igbo Jews, Israel, right, United Nation. We are one family, and one love, and one community. I am the spiritual leader of Igbo Jews, Israelite, Gospel of Truth, entire prophetic movement. A man who have reviewed black Jesus before anyone know that Jesus was a black man. I've seen talking about it. This is a black Jesus movement. Bible is African history. So I'm going to be making a book that the whole Igbos will have it. All the Igbo people, both the governors, all the kings, all the people, all the traditional people, everybody will have it. Then in that book, I will launch it. If when I launch the book, I will release my album. So I will launch it in Igbo land. That's why. Well, this is why I did not release my album last year, because of what I want to settle in the Igbo land. That's why God commanded me to go to Igbo land and build a city called Ugun Sochineke, Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue worldwide. Dr. ChukwukaDibia Healing Miracle Center. You pray that you know, channels are a of me, the spiritual warlord. Jesus and a fine and keep as well. So, share the telecast. I pego de gua, not the go. I pego de ChukwukaDibia where they video this program, because this program is especially made by Almighty Yahweh, and you know, SF got a lot of people. We have saved over 500 million people from occultic kingdom, from Marine kingdom, from worshippers thinking that Mary is God, or thinking that okay, is the way. I am the one that came out and destroyed the power and challenge all the courtesan and occultism and idol. I'll be able to save a lot of people. Hey, Joy, how are you? Joy Maka, how are you? Joy Maka, get ready, get ready. I'm coming to. I will coming to. We already have a place in our nation. No, that what do you call it? People's Club. So you people start inviting your friend. We're gonna have first program there end of the month, but I will be there very soon. I will let you know. Just Maka Joy Maka, he came to program that we have last year at this thing at Nobi Hall on Nisha. So thank you for joining us. So please share the telecast. Let our people know that Prophet David Yahweh will finally have a place. We'll go between every Saturday's worship and honoring Chukwuka in Anambra State. But we're going to start with the program. So that program will be in the night. It will be in the evening. This is why you can go to your Sabbath. This is not about church. It's about knowing the truth, and it's about deliverance. You know, I'm an apostle. I'm an angel. I'm a prophet. I don't have church. I'm not interested in having a big church. That's why if somebody come and tell me I want a big church, I'll laugh. Started from 2014, I'll be moving around. If you see to having church is my problem, I don't get offer. People don't come from London. People don't come from Canada. People don't come from America. People don't come from South Africa to manage me. They say they will be the church. You do this, do that. I've rejected that one. I've also rejected billion from Marine Kingdom and Occultic Kingdom, because this is the only Igbo church that you say that it's not occultic people that are building it. Most of churches are sponsored by occultic people. That's why it's being like, we don't have money, we don't have. See, I am the richest pastor. This is why, because I have peace, and that's why anyone that encountered me will have peace. Because where does the Spirit of God is, there's liberty. See, if you have eye as an one or as a Dibia, go and do research. You see that this is not normal pastor or normal prophet in the middle or under court or under God. Because I say that it's Sabbath, no means say I am part of occultic Sabbath or Marine. I know there's occultic Sabbath. He said what you do at Pentecostal. He said what you do at my Catholic, my Igbo. They talk about everywhere. But we are coming to debunk and to deliver our people from powers of darkness. That's why here it's Lagos. This is where I started ministry. So this place now is where I have encountered so many angels here. I don't allow people to come to this place. I open it once in a year, or just partners. Maybe the person have serious problem. I open for him to come because of what? Pollution. You know, there's a lot of rules and regulation in the Bible. You understand? A holy place is not where anybody can enter. A holy place is a holy city, and it has time and season that can open the altar of the holy of holies for people to go. So we are trying to follow that thing that God have said, that this is my holy temple, and you that want to worship me will be holy. So that's why we don't allow people. If you want to see me in Lagos, it's in Abuja. I was there yesterday. It's called Dr. ChukwukaDibia program. It's supposed to be all night, but because of the place is not convenient for me, not for me, because of people that's going to come. They only want toilet there. They only want bathroom. People that come with the children and everything. So I look at it. I have to cancel. I have to be there. So some people are missing. Say they want to come in the night time. I'm so sorry for that, because as I came back from mountain, I begin to imagine if there's a crowd, where are they going to be coming? I'm someone that I've done a lot of management before. I've traveled. I've stayed in abroad. I've stayed in London. I've lived in Singapore. I've lived in Dubai. I've traveled wide. So I've lived in many cities. I've stayed in Abuja. I've stayed in Enugu. I've lived in Aba. I've lived in Port Harcourt. I've lived in Anambra State. I've lived in many places. So anything I want to do, I'm trying to consider people. That's why when I already pay, like people that are owing me in Onitsha, that Nobi Hall since last year. They are owing me in Lagos. What do you call it? In Araba International. You know, we paid in Araba International. That's still owing me since last year, almost 1 year now. They are owing me. When I paid for what to happen Igbo, I went to pay that place. They now start that riot that affected many people. That area they're doing riot, I have to cancel it. So see, that time we didn't do the program. They're still owing me for like 3 months. I paid. Before I now find this one, I find in Abuja, because that one is come and do and go. So this one is more better. This one I will own the toll for a year, or as many times I can pay. So this one I can finish and sleep there. But the other one, once you finish, they say go. So I'm not used to such thing. That's why so the same thing would have happened to us in People's Club by God's grace, because my father are people that one of the people that started People's Club. So when I went there, they have no management. So as we talk, there's a school. The school just move out, not even 3 days. That's why you have to believe by God, by Spirit of God. So as I get there, they say a school just leave now. You can see how that hall looks so dirty, so tattered, because you know school. Those nursery school and this one, they don't even maintain the place. No grass, they are still all the grass and everything. It's okay, no problem. We're going to fix it. Fixing it will cost almost like 10 minutes, but it's not something we can do. The most important thing, we already have a hall there. We already have a shelter. That is it. What we have to do, we have to put back garage so they will not come and steal our instruments. So they're trying to, the work is going on there. So anybody that to love what I'm doing can support. You see that it's not like I went to build my own house. I have my house. I gave it to God. So it's not like I'm doing it just to, everything I'm doing there, I'm doing it for Igbo, because People's Club are owned by Igbo. So even if I develop it, I finish it, I spent it when we're leaving. But the reason why we're doing it, that place is more secure. It's in a town. There's a hotel there. So if you have visitors that will come from anywhere to visit me, they will see where they will lodge. But the other hall, there's no parking space. There's no hotel. So nothing, everything just jaga. Even if we are millions here, the People's Club will contain everybody. There's rooms you can lodge. So I'm so happy that we have a place like People's Club in Owele. You know, they have 2 People's Club, one in Nepal. This one is in one in Owele Road. So once you want to come there, you get there. Once you stop at Opiweka, it's 100 naira. If you're coming from Opoko, you use leg. If you're coming from Awada, you use leg. If you're coming from Owele, you will stop at People's Club before getting to Onitsha, before getting to the bus stop. So the place is easy to find. If you're coming from, once you stop at Onitsha Park, you say you're going to People's Club, KK 100 naira, they will bring you there. Okada. So God bless everyone. Who have called me, bless you and lift you up. We don't worship idol. We don't worship Ifa Kamele like Mary or Jesus and Lord, and we don't worship it. We don't worship water, spirit. I have delivered many people from marine kingdoms, many SMI, many Dibias from parts of darkness. It's not to come and make money, but I'm telling you, they pray, they show. So anybody now saying, see, water is God. I go to water to pray. Water is life. We know that. But it's written inside Bible. They can do that, but I don't do that. I can only go and pray. I have word to separate you from the power. So that's why it comes to spirituality. That's why I am the spiritual warlord. The kind of deliverance I do, many people can do it. So it's not about fasting and praying and breaking seed or killing cow or killing goat. No. You can see the power. We don't see. I'm operating with under 1.16 million angels. In the history of mankind, nobody have such angels. Yes. Yahweh. God bless you, Amaka. God bless you, my brother. God bless you. Please share the telecast. See wisdom. God bless you. Daniel. God bless you, my daughter. All of you are children of the Most High. ChukwukaDibia. You might find them every friend Igbo. So, Igbo na go do the assembly na Igbo. You na go have in Lagos. So that's why it's costing me money. It's costing me money since. Costing me a lot of. That's why I look at it, but not focus. Why focus? Because this is what we want to do. So I'm praying for us to do our best to make sure we release Mazen and the Karim. Almighty God free him, and let us stop this killing in Igbo now. Because this is why our place cannot develop. We used to be number one. Now everybody is running away from Igbo land. People are going to Asaba. People are traveling to Lagos. Everybody is running from Nigeria. Let us fix our home. If I don't love Igbo, if I want to make money, I know how to make money. I'll be in Lagos. I have a house in Lagos. I have everything in Lagos. If you can't come to Lagos, stay in your house. But the reason why we're doing this is just to help our people. Anytime it costs me $1 million. The one I've spent, if I don't spend money for work, I spend more money than 10 million naira. Hard time, my hand money enter in that worker 2017-18. That's why they pay me. I spend money for that worker well to sand. You know how much one trip of sand? You know how many sand I put there? I don't build the place finish. Now rain, when that COVID-19 this thing go, rain come, erosion. You know, so how can I get road drainage? You know, the erosion come for the whole to build the way I build it. I have to break it. I use it to do foundation again. But don't worry, we look for whether I will have those pictures. My phone crash, lost. When I was going to mountain, I plugged my phone inside the motor. Then the motor, and as I came down, my phone was inside the motor. Driver carry the motor, carry the phone, go till today. So all the pictures and all my contacts that I used to have lost, like that. It's just a few. I'll be able to call me back. Thousands of all the things that I did was on the phone that I'm using. So everything, just videos, the kind of program I went, all of them just vanished like that. But that is not the problem. The most important thing, we're alive, I thank God, and we're moving. So this ministry didn't start today. God's guarantee. This ministry, one of the oldest ministry I started for a very long time. I was like 1990. 1990, this ministry started in Igbo. The first healing miracle ministry in Igbo. Go and ask Pastor. I'm from SIH family. So go and ask Pastor. You know, say everything is on the internet, so you can't hide. Even people, but people know. We are very popular. My father is from a lawyer family. My father is a kingmaker. It's a lot of fight. Even the king of our place have to come before we come. Because this is a long story. I'm going to give you some history about me. And that's what I'm saying, telling you all this to say, you know, many people are making money. It's not that. It's about the spirituality. I have a lot of experience. That's why when I talk with confidence. Because I know this. I know how to do it. I can do it. That is it. I can't talk anything that is spiritual. No hospital in the world can cure it. So that is it. Don't be the part always want to deceive. What are you doing? If we deliver you, join to deliver other people. If you can buy seed, buy seed. You know, if you buy seed, buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. Which one can you buy? Don't be one who want to collect. Buy something. Support the movement. Me will spend million there and I pay. We will still spend million. Come the refixer. You don't want to do anywhere. You just want to come and collect blessing. God is not a fool. So all the people that have been supporting this, God Almighty bless you. Because as we are going to help our people, our old mothers, because I have people that they want to come to, they even come to Lagos, they can't see me. That's it. So this one in Lagos, if you didn't see me yesterday, I miss you. Let me tell you, let me be honest with you. If you didn't see me yesterday, you didn't come to my place yesterday, so I'm like, I didn't know, it's in the night, so you have to wait next month. If you cannot wait, you come to Anambra State. That is me. Except you have to pay for parting, I will help you to do your online. If you can't do that, sorry for you. I don't have that kind of time. After, you know why, in my own, if I talk, I will do it. Nothing can bring me back there again. But now, preparing to go to Anambra, so I can go and fix the place. Do what I want. Not even do what I want. I want to go and pray so we can start. Because before I know it, end of the month will come. So this end of the month, we must do program there. We will start. Our starting will be last Saturday and last Sunday of this month. Share, tell somebody that Prophet David Yahweh, the spiritual world of Jesus and Afanya is coming with 1.16 million angels to Anambra State to destroy the kingdom of darkness. You are in my kingdom. I want for you to come out. All those problems, they give you problem. Know that Chineke have come to God, I remember you. So the light has come. We are the Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue worldwide. We are the light of the world. So let me use this my song to entertain you. It's called Dr. ChukwukaDibia. I pray for Biafra land. Let there be peace. I pray because without peace, we cannot develop our city. We cannot develop our people. Our people can't be running away. They're destroying our things in Lagos. They are burning the market of Igbo. They are killing us everywhere because of love of money. Only Bogagami Tipandu Yoruba say, how about do chop in Igbo? Only Boga say, I secure chop. Come king with the ego, the press. They send them mad. Or they buy no before Naja. That place now government come to break everywhere and they sell it to another people. This is what we are facing. And I try also na Igbo. Ije na Yoruba na achụ ndị Igbo ọsọ. Ije na Hausa na achụ ndị Igbo ọsọ. Ije na Dubai, ọ maka ndị Igbo ga-eji chụọ. Ije na London, ịpụta asọ na Igbo. Ihe Igbo everywhere, problem everywhere. Chineke nyere ndị Igbo aka. Zọpụtakwa na this situation. Free mass and the carry and the end sit at home so we can have a peaceful nation. Igbo Jews, Israelites, we are the light of the world. Ụmụ ChukwukaDibia, ụmụ Chukwu okike. Chineke gọzie unu. Nke gosi ebe. Nke a bụ nke anyị. Mana Dr. ChukwukaDibia program, power, prophetic power, healing and solution is coming every last Saturday and last Sunday of month. So you come and see. You don't have money to join partner. You don't have money. You having problem. You'll be going to many places. They have been scamming you. They have been confusing you. There's no God. Come and see the God of signs and wonder, the God of old, the God of Undi, Israel. And I'm watching people, God of Romo. This is not Christianity. This is tradition. This is Jews. This is spirituality, not religion. I found out a lot of people. So you go say, what's I know there? I'm going to go and not take a.
Obodo kwelugono ChukwukaDibia Ohaneze kwelugono Ụmụ ChukwukaDibia
Kamachara obere egwu Share the telecast Ọkọ mere back again. Sunday wedding. God bless you. ChukwukaDibia, ọkọ mere.
ChukwukaDibia,
Ohaneze kwelugono, ụmụ ChukwukaDibia.
Ebube dike, 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 ọkọ kwelugono, ChukwukaDibia.
Ohaneze kwelugono, ụmụ ChukwukaDibia.
David Yahweh,
ọkọ mere. Ewu Chineke m, Jizọs osi n'ebe yo.
Don Supremo, A2Z Production.
Jesus bụ onye Igbo. Jesus bụ onye Igbo. O nwere ife ndị si na Jizọs.
Jesus bụ onye Igbo.
Mgbe m gara na Jerusalem,
Jesus bụ onye Igbo. Ebube dike, ebube dike.
na-agbasa ozi a, Chukwu gọzie unu. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma.
Ebube dike,
If you need the card, drop your account. Drop your number. They will send the card to you. Joy. Jesus will say Jesus will say Jesus is holy. Oh, come on. Keep sharing. When you're in Jerusalem, oh, come on. Jesus will walk in the more. ChukwukaDibia program. ChukwukaDibia. Oh, come on. Jesus is here. Ijenuno church, Jesus is here. I'm in mountain Zion, Jesus is here. I'm to ChukwukaDibia, Yahweh of Israel. Oh no. Jesus of Nazareth, Jesus is oh, what if I just in Jesus? Jesus is Igbo. God bless you. Jesus is royalty. Oh no. Jesus is holy. I'll be Sunday, my people. Jesus is holy. Jesus would you, ya can see, and Jesus is one Jesus is one number and way. Jesus is one you state one day. Jesus is one where he must take you for that God. Jesus is born Igbo. Jesus is born Igbo. Jesus of Nazareth. Jesus is born Igbo. When he thanked the sinner, Jesus is born Igbo. When God in Jerusalem, Jesus is born Igbo. Everybody get. Jesus, everybody get. oke ite na gbaba ọsọ anyị abịanue anyị abịakwanunue na nke ikpeazụ Jizọs bụ onye Igbo ọmụma Jizọs a na-afụ anya na nke ikpeazụ ọkụ na-agba ọzara ChukwukaDibia
Ikebula malama
ChukwukaDibia
anyị dị ike Pentikọst
ike ji eme n'ife ike na na
ChukwukaDibia
ọkọ mere ChukwukaDibia
China, na Hong Kong, one is again, only to what is sweet is sweet. One name,
let us know where you're watching from. God bless you. Hey, Umu David Yahweh.
Inona Sabansha, Inona Italy, Inona Nigeria, Inona South Africa, Inona Dubai, Emirates, Inona Philadelphia, one name.
Shall go with you.
ChukwukaDibia nwanne na ChukwukaDibia nwanne goriwe nwe Chukwu ga-ebunye unu
Make sure you share the telecast. God bless you. Can you share? God bless you. Drop your comments. Let us know where you're watching from.
ChukwukaDibia
ChukwukaDibia. Get again.
ChukwukaDibia. Ohaneze kwelugono. ChukwukaDibia.
Jesus is Igbo. Anambra ka sabia.
Onye Chukwu zitere.
Ọtọ ndị Igbo na-abụ. Anya bịa.
Iba. Aha. ChukwukaDibia.
Ọmụnụ ekwutegonu ndị ọkọta ekwetego na anyị karịrị ha, ndị oke ite ekwetego na anyị karịrị fa, ụmụ ofeke meri ekwetego na anyị karịrị ha, ụmụ ChukwukaDibia na-ama aka, ndị Zainos etọba ekwetegonu, ụmụ oke ite ekwetego na anyị karịrị fa. Ọ dịghị
ChukwukaDibia.
God bless you. Share the telecast.
David Yahweh. Don Supremo, A to Z Production.
Ewu Chineke mo, Jesus si n'ebe ya. Ọnụnụ n'ụlọ na Jesus bụ onye Igbo. Eric, God bless you. Shall go with you. More grace. Share the telecast.
Jesus bụ onye Igbo.
Mgbe anyị gara na Jerusalem, ịmago na asị na onye njem dị ka onye isi ọmụ. We are not here to give you false information. Anyị ka anyị gwa gị nke na-eme n'ụwa. Anyị agago Israel, gaa London, gaa Dubai, gaa Singapore, gaa Malaysia, gakwa na Abuja, gaa Lagos, gaa Port Harcourt, gakwa na Enugu, gaa Imo Steeti, gaa Igbo land. Wee site na nke ikpeazụ a wee confirm mụ na Jizọs bụ onye Igbo. Ọmụnwa David Yahweh Aruize ChukwukaDibia agwọ ya, ChukwukaDibia esi ike, ChukwukaDibia na everything. Ma who destroy the power of Okite, destroy the power of Mary arụsị ndị ọcha. Osogobacha wa mụ na this year is our year of celebration. And Bible says you shall know the truth and truth shall set you free. The worst thing I can do is to deceive my people. Now, to all my sons and daughters, my partners, today is day 2 of fasting and prayer, on 120-day fasting and prayer. Fasting and prayer cannot make you rich, but you to prepare your spirit for power. You need the power to make it. If for 40 people can fast for 6 months, 3 months, and Jesus said, this guy cannot go by the fasting and prayer. Now, before embarking in fasting and prayer, make sure you have your business you're doing. I am the last man that will tell you that money will fall from heaven. But you need the spirituality to conquer the enemies. Sometimes we are about to have breakthrough. If you don't, your spiritual energy are not strong. Somebody can take your contract. Somebody can, rising and falling. There's the powers. There's the powers. So let us not deceive ourselves. Spiritual husbands, spiritual wife, there is forces, there is witchcraft. Bible says, suffer the witch not to live. You think they don't know about witchcraft? You think God does not know about witchcraft? After God, now witchcraft, marine kingdom by witchcraft. Principalities and powers, they seize angels. When they Prophet Daniel prayed, and God released his revelation. Hear what happened. Angel Gabriel was coming to bring revelation to Daniel. In the first day he prayed, Prince of Persia, Queen of Forever, Principality and Power, hijack the blessing so people will not know the truth. Like what I'm saying now. Why do you think they're hacking my page? Why do you think they're doing so? People will not look like so. If you look at what I'm saying, is evil. They are bad. They even pay, bro. Prophet went to pay bloggers to blackmail me. Like people like James Agabola. Where are they today? The same people that's calling me and they go to Ogu. They are the one doing no kita. Is it not obvious to you that they know that they are all idol worshippers and the mother kingdoms? But nevertheless, we are not here to be mentioning names according to the lawyers and everything. So, but at least you have know the truth. The Bible says, "You shall know the truth shall set you free." If you're still and that, Mary is mother of Jesus. Yes, we know that. We believe in Mary and it's a black woman. So, first of all, remove that white woman that you're telling us Mary. It's not Mary. That is Satan. That is ISIS. That is idol worship. Bible said, "Do not remove." When they came to meet Jesus, they say, "Your family are looking for you." He said, "Who are my family? Are those who are what? My father." Those who are obeying the will of my father. That's the will of what? Yahweh. Like he said, Yahweh now. I have families. I have brothers, I have sisters. There's some people, they don't believe in what I do. Because they believe in other side. So it's like that. Everybody cannot believe in what you do. They said your enemy is your household enemy. So if you're a fool, you think all your family will love you. Lie, they can never love you. The worst people that can even want you to believe that they are family. Everybody's trying to be number one. Everybody, if you are not wise, you go down. I don't say you should not help your family, but be wise. Household enemy. Before a man can be destroyed, your household enemy. That's why if you don't conquer the battle in your father's house, your house, you cannot go far in life. If you like, they do we don't say, when you're done, you understand. The same brother and sister, they will prove to you that you're not their brother. I don't say you should not love your brother, but I'm telling you, the heart of a man is what? Is wicked. The Bible says, trust nobody. Many people have been so. There's once this song that all those Biafra people used to sing. You think it's today, this betrayal have been for a very long time. In the war, while we are suffering in Biafra, it's betrayers. So, betrayal didn't start today. So, don't think he can stop betrayal. Even Jesus Christ was betrayed by his own disciples. I was betrayed by my people that worked with me a long time ago. So betrayers are there. So even if you're having workers, you have your family, you have your friend, you have your sometimes even their wife, they betray them. Sometimes it's their husband that betray them. So be wise. Bible says, trust nobody. No particular person says you say trust nobody. Some men have died today, it's the wife that killed them. You will not like it. That's the truth. Truth be told. That's why you can never see so many crowds. When you pick mind, they already come and make nonsense comment and go. You can't. But that's not why we're here. We're here to enlighten people so you become stronger, become spiritual, powerful. I am the last man that will deceive my people. If I ask you pay for Sadaka, it's not a must. If you don't want, go to your church. If I say do spiritual, it's not a must. I spend millions to be like this. Can you pay me? You can't pay me. Go and do spiritual work. You know how much they collected? 2005. Do you know how much I spend in spirituality? You think you to do spiritual work on 1 naira? Is it because they say bring 150, bring 200? That one is spiritual work. Go and pay, go and meet prophets. Then they tell you. Small prophet, whenever they change, they say, so see 1 million, so see 10 million. They so. What experience do I have? Let me tell you, there's something you can never get without sacrifice. Sacrifice can be spirituality. We're not killing cow, we're not killing goat, we're not doing all these ones. But doesn't mean we cannot, there's a time we come, have to kick out. We are doing Passover, have to do that. You're doing new moon, have to. But I've not been there in China. If I go to East now, this is just to start, I want to pray that God will raise men who will love the truth. Because I've raised, I'll call it liberians. Because people that have raised some way to build church for my Catholic, they pay me. 2017. I pray for somebody, the guy is a multi-millionaire. I went to build church in that village. He said, your father, I promised to build the church. Father promised to build the church. You know, the father died, he went to build the church. But me that do the prayer, you know what I mean? But that is not it. The most important, God said, when 2 or 3 are gathered in your midst. And God told me that the world will reject me because I'm not of this world. We are from third heaven. So the cross is this. But when it comes to power, we are the most powerful author in the world. You know, these are different things. If I want to become like so popular now, so rich and this, I will not. That means I have sell myself to the devil. Even Jesus Christ rejected money. When the devil want to, for him to submit to him, he refused. The same way with David Yahweh. So many pastors see today making noise. All of them, they are working for Satan. That's why God say, the God of money. They say light and darkness is not having a common. They say money answering all things, and money is the root of all evil. How many pastors can preach what I'm preaching and live? No, forget about police. How many? Do you know the level of demons that are operating that I'm talking about? I'm talking about exposing principalities and powers, the spirit of cutting. Go and try it. Try it. You know that witchcraft get power. They were pure gas. Accept my sons or my daughter. You belong to your family, covenant daughter of fire. You pay your tithe, you're paying your seed, you connect, you join your spirituality. If you have money, do your spiritual work. You become so powerful. Why do you think Jesus Christ have to go through training? What they tell you, Jesus have to meet people that are no more than him. Why no come out and begin to perform miracle? He went to meet John the Baptist. From there, he disappeared for a very long time. He didn't see. He went to learn some things of spirituality. Jesus Christ went to India, went to Egypt to learn so many things. So Jesus Christ does not have one knowledge. You have many knowledge. If you have gone higher and there, we have gone. We know that this one is fake. This one is fake. That's what we can know. They will tell you this is real. Any other day. Today is Sunday. Good. Jesus Christ died and resurrected today, but that's not the reason why I can change the covenant of God. God is saying, Jesus said, if you love me, keep my Father commandments. David Yahweh say, if you love me, keep my Father commandments. Yahweh. That's why I'm answering David Yahweh. God is saying the whole world we know my name through you. I don't think we'll be able to do that. We have a video that hit 1 million, 2 million views. This is our new page, and it never matter. Just say how many people are watching. But thank God, I think people are following. The page is open now. So +234 903 222 6076. You can call for the program. You have anything you want to tell them, and we move on. And this program will fix it again by 5 o'clock. By 4 o'clock, we normally do it. Just let me just appreciate everybody and tell you that we are back again in our page. This page is just 11,000 followers. Our page is almost 100,000. They hack it. One that start something for 40,000 they hack it. So this one just like a new page coming up. So please help us share and like and love. Tell them that the Yahweh is coming to Anambra State end of June this month. Last Saturday and last Sunday. Time 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Sunday 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. 4 start 4. We're in the People's Club on the Chawele Road branch. That is the Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue. That we're going to be starting until we move to our own permanent site. God will do it. This is a promise of land. So I know before the end of the year we'll have a place that you can be able to do Passover next year. I told you that by next year we're going to be celebrating in Igbo land. So we're going to do that. So may Almighty God bless you. This year we could not meet up because of some things. You know, this is reading by the Holy Spirit, and who are sponsoring this program is as partner. So if you're a partner, and God bless you, if you're a partner, will not pay your monthly dues, do that. You are not contributed in this Anambra State movement. You're a partner, please do. Whatever you can use to support, I'll pay for the place. So we need a seat, we need a band, whatever you can use to support. The account number will be pasted. Then you do that. Just to help our people. We're not doing it for me. I want to help those who are in the east, they are sick, so they can come. If you don't want, it's God that doing everything more. But I know that if you're spiritual sickness, once I encounter me, you're free. That is it. Then if you, before coming to that program, use now and go to hospital and check yourself. If they don't feel cured, that means your time has come. Yes. Your time has come. Yeah, I got it now. I want to know. I come, I have a fibroid, I have HIV, I have this is a spiritual ones. Come. Only water. There's water. We're working on Dr. ChukwukaDibia water will be coming out. We use it in the Anambra State this time. Dr. ChukwukaDibia water of life. And the Dr. ChukwukaDibia oil of victory and prosperity. So it's going to be coming out in Anambra State. That's the first time we're going to be using it. So that's it. God bless you. It's not for sale or just for partners, but I'm going to be giving some free. That then those who want to, the water will join partner. Even if you have small money, you have to join, be a partner to have it. It's not free. God bless you. Thank you very much. So Do not look at we don't know what we're doing. We don't sell anything, but we get the water by joining party. That means you love what we are doing, we will give you the water. So if you save, you join to save other people. Don't be part of, if you hear, oh, they want to do work of God, they will run. But they want miracle. God always stay for the part, so you want to receive. I've given my house, I've given my car, I've given everything. So what are you giving? What are you giving to make sure the work of God go on? Yeah, I do want to occultic kingdom that occultic the people to be shining more than us, more than God, and they want to be rich. I don't want the house of God to be built. You don't want the mountain of God to be. You don't want people of God to be saved. If God has blessed you through me and they don't want to do the right thing, may God take that blessing and give it to the people that are ready to do the work. The most of God must go on. God, people are very wicked, rebellious. God, why do you think God pursued devil? He pursued because they're rebellious. God pursued. They say my glory will not share with another. Another my praise with grave image. If you forget the house of God, forget the prophet. If you forget the altar that bless you, get to another altar. That place they put AC. No people do it. If you want AC, come put the AC. If you want the church, you know, okay, come and build it. I can't budget again. The way I go do prayer. The way I go buy land. The way I go build a house, buy a house. The way I go do prayer. The way I go dash you for free. The way I go pray for you free. I mean, the way I go buy that. Which one are you doing? You hear pattern I go on. You hear sadaka I go on. Everything. Okay, I go where they say can do. Say give me free. I be prophet. Give me sadaka rice. 1 bag of rice free. Give me mineral. I will collect and go share to people for your head. Then when you go to Okite, you pay 3 million naira. I say with maybe like 500,000 or this thing. Sadaka say the money takers. But then you won't keep the 3 million. When the Okite now disappoint you, you start looking for somebody that will collect free and do it. In fact, I don't want to tell you anything. But also, would say, see, it's not by force I must pray for you. I am not prophet for everybody. God said, the sheep will hear your voice. For those who I am their prophet, you know, my God, I bless you. Try to support this thing we are doing in Anambra State. From there, we are going to Abuja. From Abuja, we are going to have in Port Harcourt and then we go to Imo State. So we're going to have branches on this place, so it will be easy for everybody. So God bless everybody. I'm going to be stopping this program. Plus 234 903 222 6076. Know that to have a praise in Abada every Saturday something is going on there, but they want to see me. That's my son there. They will pray for you. Because if you're going to go with faith, they will pray for you. But sometime I'll be there. I can't say, but every first Friday, first Saturday of the month, sure, I'm gonna be there by God's grace. But last Saturday of the month, I'm gonna be in Anambra State, People's Club, Zion City, Anambra State, Biafra land. God bless you. Then Zion City, Lagos State. But every first Saturday of the month, I will be in Lagos to see my people. So I'm very late. Maybe third one will be in Abuja. Where we say, so I just want to make it so it will be easy so I can move around. That is it. So I don't want to tell you anything I want to. If you want to come from far, you have to book appointments to know where to come, whether I'm in the East or Lagos. So you cannot come again like people that come last time. You come, you don't see me. So I don't want to waste your money. So get it right. So if you're coming next week, you may not see me. I'm going to the East. You want to see me, I have to come to the East. So don't tell me, oh, this one. If you don't come that me, you're not part of my followers. So my followers, you have to obey me. If you don't want to go to your church, that's it. Don't come and tell me I want. If you not fit join partner, you know if you follow the procedure. If you're on Lagos, anytime we have a Lagos program, come there. If you don't come that one, forget it. Come to the East. You know if you come to the East. So anyway, you know if you do live and you know say it's not your time. When your time comes, it's busy for you. So don't come and be stressing me. Thank you very much. I have many millions of people to serve. I cannot because of you're in Lagos, I will not go to Anambra State. I cannot because you're in Anambra State, I will not come to Lagos. You know, I have this is a great commission God have given me. We are going to be visiting prisoners. We are going to be going to hospital. We want to be free hospital, free school. If you not follow this our page, you follow A to Z Zion City Royal Academy. It's our page we're going to be using for teaching, and more things are coming up like movies, entertainment and music, everything. But I'm going to be listening some upcoming stars when the time comes, but not for now, because like one after another. Okay, because entertainment is a lot of problems. So we're going to be there to help people so they will not be joining occultic, joining homosexual, and doing all sorts of things because they want to become stars. So we're going to be lecturing our people. So people going into drug business, drinking, taking of drugs, and because you want to become star, you want to join fraternity, you want to be joining or doing all sorts of things. So you don't need that to become a superstar. Even if you end up becoming superstar with drug addict, you end up become nobody. So that is it. I am not drug addict. I don't do drug business. I don't do 419. I do legit. My talent is money. My power is in me. I am a spiritual warlord. Jesus and a fire. The man who endowed with power. I have 1.16 million angels. I am a spiritual warlord. I love you all. Shalom. Please make sure, click the share button and invite somebody. Tell him that Prophet David Yahweh ChukwukaDibia, we are coming to Anambra State end of this June. Last Saturday and Sunday. Time 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Venue People's Club Owele Load Onitsha, Anambra State. We are welcome back home. ChukwukaDibia is going home to help our people, to help Igbo, and to liberate Africa at large. I love you all. Shalom.